Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm an account director, and I work in the communications industry. And I would rate Backblaze a 5 out of 5. Before I started using Backblaze, I was manually backing up to external hard drives, or I was using Apple's Time Machine. I wanted to have a second cloud-based option, sort of set it and forget it, and that's what Backblaze has done for me. The main reason that I selected Backblaze is because it was simple and it appeared to be, quite straightforward and integrated into the OS, so that I just felt like it was confidently backing up in the background and I didn't need to think about it. The other reason was that it self-throttles, in that I know it's backing up my computer, but I never notice it. It's never slowing down my computer, whereas the Time Machine and the manual backups, are interrupting my use of the computer. Integrating Backblaze into my business was very easy. It's very much install, configure, and forget about it. There was a small extension that you have to allow the Backblaze software to have kind of a root access to your drive. That's very easy and straightforward to set up. And yeah, so it's really a snap to install and use. And one time I did a restore, and that was also a snap to go back and be able to access the backed up data. There had been occasions where other people, I recommended Backblaze to other people, and they told me, oh, I don't need it because I have Time Machine or I can back up to a hard drive. But the reason why it's important to me to have Backblaze as my backup software is for redundancy. So yes, I still use the Apple Time Machine, but what if I have a problem with that backup, right? Or yes, I still use cloud services, but what if, something happened to the cloud service that is unforeseeable? So a business, for continuity, you need to have a redundant backup, and that means you must have 3 backups. And Backblaze, provides me that additional redundancy. So I never have to worry. I just never worry about not being able to restore software because I know that I have a redundant system, and Backblaze is providing that for me for years.